Alex. Noodles, noodles, noodles. Oh. Ay. Oh.
Excuse us.
Full. You're full, full.
Really? Is Mamang feeding you? It's February 2nd, 1991.
Alex, Alex.
What, are your mom and dad going to go with us tomorrow?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Oh, what's that? Soup?
Do praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
Hand. Clapping hands. Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
Oh, that's clap. There it is. Praise the Lord. Yay. Clap. Clap.
Flying kiss, flying kiss, flying kiss.
Strawberries. Earthquake.
Oh. This is Alex inside her new house.